Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Grillin' with Grove. What I've got for you today is some beef jerky. Now what has inspired me to do this video is that I've been buying beef jerky at the store and I've noticed that it is overpriced for the quality of beef jerky that you get. So what I have done is I've bought a round roast from the store and I'm gonna slice it up, marinate it, and then throw it out on the Weber kettle to get some smoke on it, dry it out, and make it beef jerky. So let's take a look at that round roast. Alright, so you've seen that round roast. What you're going to want to do with that is you're going to want to put it in the freezer for about an hour, hour and a half, and it's going to get hard to where you can slice it into thin strips. Alright guys, I'm going to slice this up and get back to you and show you kind of what I've done with the slices. Alright guys, welcome back. Here's that round roast cut up into strips. As you can see, they're fairly thin, and I've went ahead and I've hit them with the meat mallet a couple of times just to kind of get them flattened out into the shape that I like. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to build a marinade, and let me step back here and you can see the ingredients for our marinade. We have soy sauce, W sauce, light brown sugar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, red pepper, cayenne powder, crushed red pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, and we're going to be using some accent today. This is actually the first time that I've ever used this, but it's supposed to bring out the flavor in your meats. Alright guys, let me build this marinade up and we'll get back with you. Alright guys, welcome back. There you can see the marinade. And as you can see, this is not really a standing marinade. This is just enough marinade to cover the beef, just to kind of wet cure it just a little bit before we go out on the Weber and dry and smoke it. Alright guys, you can marinate this from anywhere from 6 hours to overnight. Today I'm going to be going overnight, so I will see you tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? We're back. It's day 2 and we've pulled the beef jerky out of that marinade. For the specific marinade amounts, just click show more and it'll be in the description box. Now what I've done is I've patted the beef jerky off and I have seasoned it up with a little bit of red pepper and some crushed red pepper flakes. We're getting our grill up to temp. I've got about 10 lump charcoal that are getting up to temp. And as soon as we get the grill up, we're going to lay this beef jerky on there and we'll get back to you. What's up guys? We're back, and if you can see right there, we've got the light blue smoke that you're looking for, and we've got that beef jerky on, so let's take a look. As you can see, right there we've got a little bunch of coals, and then we've got our jerky on. One important thing to note is that our holes are over the beef jerky, and so that way the airflow goes across the meat and up the hole. Also with this, we've got our bottom grate set to about 1/3 or so. And we're running just a little under 200 according to that thermometer. Now I do suggest that you use a pit thermometer because sometimes those thermometers can be off, but we should be okay for our cook. All right, this should take anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. We'll come back at you when it's done. See you later. What's up guys, we're back. It's getting late here, and so what I've decided to do is to finish this jerky off in the oven. It's done about 3 hours in the Weber kettle, and what I've done is every 30 minutes or so I've added 2 briquettes with some wood chips to keep the smoke rolling. The beef jerky has got to the color that I like, and some of it is starting to dry out, but not all of it is there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it in the oven. And what this actually does is allows me the opportunity to show you, if you don't have a grill, how just to do it straight in the oven. All right guys, we're gonna go at 180 degrees to try and speed this up a little bit. We're at 150 to 180 on the grill. And also what you have to do if you put it in the oven is you got to give it something to circulate. So what I've done here is I've got 2 pot holders and I just put them in the crack of the oven, and this kind of lets the air circulate to help dry out the jerky. We're going to flip these in about an hour and then we're going to see where we're at. Later, guys. What's up, guys? We're back. It's day 3 and the jerky actually finished up late last night, so I was unable to shoot the video. The total cook time in the oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit was 3 hours. Then after those 3 hours, I turned the oven off and let the jerky just sit in there overnight to dry. So let's take a look at that jerky. As you can see, it's nice and dry, and I've broken it off for you. As you can see, the inside is nicely cooked. So one thing I do want to mention, if you don't eat this jerky in 3 to 5 days, you're going to want to go ahead and package it up, put it in a plastic bag, and in the plastic bag, go ahead and put a paper towel in the bottom. And what that does is it kind of takes the moisture and soaks it all up so that you don't get that mold problem that sometimes you can get with beef jerky. All right, guys, remember anything that we've talked about, the recipe, the item ingredients, and how to cook it is going to be down in the description box. So just go ahead and click show more down at the bottom, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.